Today I want to share with you how to fix the lawnmower here. Press and started E300. I don't use it in winter so that the air filter very dirty oil. I don't know where it a lot of the oil in the air filter, so that on the wrist spring I try to start the lawnmower, but not working. But it doesn't it not working. Yeah. So that I try to clean many times, but I feel not good. I try to open here. I try to open it, but I use the tool here to open or to open the heavy lid later. I open all, but I try many times, but it I try to many times. It's here original air filter, but it get too much oil and dirty. So that I go to Tamu to buy for air filter. I have it at take 01. About $7 or $8. I have it at take one and put in the new one. You get the new one. The new one here. It's new air filter. So that now it's working. So that I share with you. Only change the air filter. Yeah, only change the air filter. Now it's working already. I start to you. So I made a video to share with you how to fix the bridge and started bridge and started E300. It only you change the air filter. Get too much oil and dirty, so that it not good. See signal, the original, but I can filter is working now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you again.